Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Vazhakka Puttu or raw banana puttu. This is a very special and delicious side dish that best goes with steamed rice. A very nutritious and a healthy recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 3 cups of water. To this add 2 raw bananas cut into halves with their ends chopped. To this add half teaspoon of salt. Let this cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes the raw banana is well cooked and ready, so remove from the water. Allow it to cool a little. Then remove the skin and grate it into small pieces. Keep this ready. Now heat a pan. Into this add 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Urad Dhal and 1/4 teaspoon of Channa Dhal. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1 dried red chillies, few curry leaves, 1 green chilli chopped and 2 garlic cloves chopped. Mix it well. Then add 1 onion chopped. Mix it well. Now let's add the spices. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now to this add the grated raw banana and mix it well. Make sure the spices are all well spread. Finally add a tablespoon of grated coconut and give it a quick mix. Now our delicious Vazhakka Puttu is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this raw banana puttu recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.
Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.